Do you remember those guys that got scammed in the Eldoret scam? The Eldoret Forex trading scam by a company called Springmark Limited. I remember that, and that was very sad because people took their money out to invest. They probably borrowed the money and they were very hopeful to have returns. But there's a guy that really, scammed them and promised them high returns. So this in this video, I just want to let you know how to avoid scams when it comes to investing companies. Number one, never invest in a company that is not licensed. Any company in Kenya that is promising you investment kind of activity must be licensed by the CMA. Number two, a company that is telling you that they're going to deliver guaranteed returns, they're promising you instant returns, guaranteed returns that are sounding like they're too good to be true. And these terms, such as, guaranteed and whatnot, you need to run away because investing is a very risky venture. And most of the time, what you expect may not be the outcome. It's just like a business. It may go in any direction. So, somebody promising you instant returns and guaranteed returns may not really know what they're talking about because sometimes the market can move in any direction. And you must understand, sometimes in investment you may make money, sometimes you may lose money. And to keep it realistic, somebody who's offering you an investment opportunity should be able to walk you through the scenarios where you may lose your money so that you may understand what you're getting yourself into. So people who are promising you guaranteed returns, you better run because they are not they're not being real. They're probably scammers. Another thing, do not invest in a company where the fund managers are not licensed, or the people who are running the company, they're not licensed. They do not have the CPAs, the CFAs, and whatnot. People handling that kind of money and that kind of activity need to be certified traders, certified fund managers, certified custodians, and all that kind of stuff. Another thing is do not invest in a company that does not have an office. Springmark Investment did not have an office whatsoever, yet people trusted that guy with billions of shillings. So do not invest in a company that does not have an office, because if anything happens, where are you going to do your claims? So these are the things that you need to consider to avoid getting scammed in these Kenyan investment schemes. And if you want to know how to check if a company is licensed by the CMA, I have made a comprehensive video of how you can do that. You can check all the companies that are licensed by the CMA so that you don't get scammed. So if you want the video, just comment no scam and I will send you the video.